When I would call not before 10 a.m. on
You
Sunday
got Richard.
morning,
You got to tell them again. You got to tell them again.
We call that, Daniel. We call it a self-wrap, and it can actually be used well on the phone. You just mentioned yourself. Hey, out of the last 9 people that called you, Daniel, I'm the only one that did the due diligence on your house. I told you about the sport court in the back. I love the curb appeal, and your kitchen's amazing. Look what you did with that island. And so, I mean, my favorite thing was Sundays. I go, instead of watching the Eagles game, I'm on the phone right now trying to list your property. Daniel, isn't that the sort of person you'd like to work with? There's nothing wrong with a self-wrap. I call you before the end of business today. I will make sure to follow up with an email. So if you follow through on first downs, don't be surprised if you get a touchdown. There's nothing wrong with high fives if you score. It's okay. You need that sort of positive reinforcement. Bragging is when you don't do anything and you say that you could. And also, as Chris Rock said, you don't get credit for things you're supposed to do. And so from my opinion, if you're doing the above and beyond, showing the bedside manner and just being Daniel, the amazing guy that you are, and that's why your podcast is blowing up, you know, the market speaks, man. And if no one watched it, no one would call. And if I didn't enjoy your work, I wouldn't have begged to be on your show because I love what you do. I'm a huge fan. And thanks, so that's just the way you got to look at it. There are certain times you can look at yourself in the mirror, give yourself 5, wink at yourself. It's good. It's all right. You need to do this. You're your best friend. Don't be so hard on yourself. Not you, your audience.
No. And I want that because, and that was the reason why I started this show, Richard. I had so many folks, and I mean, that of course you said, been on 100 plus, but I've had these folks who, you know, started their business, they got a product, they got a brand, they got a service that needs to get out to the world. And